today we're going to be reviewing multiplying and dividing fractions. So you may notice I am using a guided notes here, and this is actually linked for you if you have a printer at home. If you go back to this page, you can go ahead and actually print out the same exact guided notes that I have, and so you can fill this along with me while you're watching these videos. If not, that's completely okay. Go ahead and grab a notebook, title your notes, and fill in all this in your notebook. Either way though, you should be taking notes. During this time, it is expected that you're not just watching the notes, but you're actually doing these problems along with me, because that is how we learn. In that way, you can look back at your notes when you're studying for a quiz or an exam. Okay, so for this first video, we are going to be talking about parts of fractions. So here I have a fraction, 5/6. This 5 is in what we call the numerator. This bar that you see here is called the fraction bar. And you can actually think of this as division. So when you see a fraction, that's really just saying 5 divided by 6. So you can think of it either way. And then that 6 is in the denominator. And something else we need to know about fractions is that we have something called proper fractions and improper fractions. So proper fractions usually have this number out in front, not always. But the key thing with proper fractions is that the smaller number is on top while the larger number is on bottom. Where with improper fractions, the larger number is on top and the smaller number is on the bottom. And we can actually switch between these two by doing something like this. So from this proper to become improper, all I'm going to do is I'm going to do 8 times 2, which is 16, plus 5, which is 21, which matches over here. And then my denominator stays the same. So those 8s are going to stay the same. So let's go ahead and try some more converting. So here I have a proper fraction and I want to change it to improper. So first I'm going to multiply 7 times 3, which is 21. And then I'm going to add 4. And so 21 plus 4, I get 25 over 7. Okay, now looking at this next one, I first notice I have some pretty large numbers. So that usually clues me in that my fraction can probably be reduced. Not always, but a lot of the times. And here I do see that I can. So when I say reduce, that means there's a number that can go into both the numerator and the denominator. So with 4 and 28, I see that 4 can go into both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide top and bottom by 4. So 4 divided by 4, I get 1. 28 divided by 4, I get 7. And now I have smaller numbers to deal with. So I'm going to do that same thing, 7 times 3, which is 21. And then 21 plus 1, and I get 22 over 7. Okay, so now I want you to pause the video, try that last one on your own, and then when you think you have it, go ahead and click play. Okay, so this is what you should have gotten when you did this. So 7 times 5 is 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So that negative sign doesn't really do anything, it's just going to hang out on this side. Nope, that should be 38 over 7. 38 over 7. Okay, so that's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to the next one.